Hey guys, it's Dreamy-Chan here, and I want to talk about why I love rain and its ambience. I like how the rain hits the window anytime it rains really hard, and before I go to sleep, I enjoy hearing the rain, and I mostly sleep through thunderstorms and stuff too. I also like when the rainstorms stop and a rainbow appears in the sky. Very rarely do I get a rainbow, and very rarely do I see a rainbow in the sky. And sometimes, or at least anytime a rainbow appears, the sky looks yellow and stuff. But I think that means a rainbow would appear, I think. It's been a long time. I also like the sound of rain when I hear it in videos and in real life. Just something about the sound just relaxes me. I also like when rain helps the plants grow and stuff too. But since it's winter right now, there's not gonna be a lot of plants and stuff growing right now. I also like when spring appears and it's really nice, full of flowers and stuff. The rain also helps the flowers and stuff. I know that spring doesn't like me, mainly because I have seasonal allergies and I'm allergic to pollen and stuff. And that's why spring doesn't like me. But I love spring still. I also like the smell of rain after it hits the ground and stuff, after it rained and all that stuff. It's just really nice to smell. Kind of smells kind of dewy, if I should say that. But it has a nice scent to it. I can't really explain why it smells nice. It just smells really pleasant. But I also like a lot of smells from nature and stuff, like flowers, plants. Well, mainly flowers. I don't think other plants have proper smells. It's mostly flowers, fruits, veggies, all that kind of stuff. But I'll go back on topic on rain. I can't really think of anything else to talk about for rain ambience. It's just nice to listen to and stuff. And I think that'll be it. Thank you for listening to me talk about rain for a few minutes. Yeah, bye. Dreamy Chan out.